Yeah, man, we're gonna get started with this college football, man. It's a pretty good weekend here, except for SMU. No, not SMU. TCU.
TCU.
TCU, bro.
Yeah, man.
TCU went to Kansas State and got whooped.
41-3.
Mm.
Damn.
Yeah, I thought TCU was actually the better out of SMU and TCU, and right now has a better record, man. It's crazy.
Yeah.
SMU's over here with a 5-2 respectable record.
TCU's at 4-4.
4-4. So, I know they're rebuilding, man, after losing all those guys to the draft, but
They took a big hit.
yeah, they did take a big hit.
Very
Hopefully,
big
hopefully
hit.
they're able to rebuild by the end of the year, man, or get some new recruits in there. But it's hard. It's always hard to get recruits when you're losing.
Oh hell yeah.